Bronchia Guard Throat and Lung Spray can be used for multiple different purposes, including but not limited to cough, sore throat, allergies, and freshening the breath. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 different ways of using Bronchia Guard for any purpose. The first most important thing to do when using Bronchia Guard is to shake. Shaking helps distribute the oils in the water and glycerin evenly so that you get an even mix. The second thing to do is to remove the cap and point it into your mouth and get it right up to your chin. If you don't do this, you can spray it all over your face. The third step is to spray. Spraying the oils into your mouth can be done in different ways. The first way is to spray and inhale at the exact same time. This helps to get the oils deep down into your lungs to help stop a cough fast. The second way is to spray it into your mouth and inhale the vapors. This is if you can't inhale the mist because it's too strong. The third way is to spray into the back of the throat and swallow. This works best for sore throat. What to expect when you first try Bronchia Guard. Bronchia Guard can be a little spicy with the cinnamon, oregano, and clove essential oils, but those are offset by the peppermint oil, which provides a soothing coolness. When you first inhale the mist, it can make you cough once or twice, but the cough doesn't persist, and it can help you get up phlegm in your lungs. There's really no limit to how often you can use Bronchia Guard. You can use as much as you like without any issue. We recommend 1 to 4 sprays every 30 minutes or an hour until your cough is gone. I hope this video helps you get the most out of Bronchia Guard and that you love it as much as we do.